Mr. Carl Lawrence Garcia. Hi, Carl. How are you? Hey. What's up?
What's up, man?
How are you, Carl?
So good. They're feeling better.
Long time no see,
Yeah,
It's been, what,
busy.
5 months? Yes.
5 months. Busy. Sa lahat ng bagay.
So, ano tong naririnig ko na meron ka daw tennis elbow?
Oh, yeah. Tennis elbow, inflammation of the tendons on the muscle, and pumapasok sa elbow mismo, up to the wrist or hands. And it is very painful. Painful.
Rate mo yung thing.
Scale?
Yeah.
So, when the pain strikes, so I rate it 10 over 10.
Oh my God.
So,
Sounds bad.
it sounds like really bad. Sorry. Like, di mo talaga gugustuhin na maranasan mo.
So, when did you find out about tennis elbow?
Way back on 2012, meron kaming rigid training for the national team because of 2020 Olympics.
Impressive.
And skill sa training na yun required na 3 times a day ang practice. So, gising sa umaga, 5 o'clock. 4. Training ng 5 o'clock a.m. Jogging, then usual training. Then before mag-lunch, 10 o'clock hanggang 12, training ulit. Then before mag-dinner, 6 to 8, training ulit. For 2 months.
So, ang hirap pala niya. Grabe. Kailangan sobrang dedicated ka talaga. Sobrang nakakapagod yan, Carl.
Discipline.
Yeah.
No distractions.
So, dun na nag-start mag-manifest yung symptoms ng tennis elbow.
I believe na doon dahil one cause nga ng tennis elbow is repetitive action, repetitive na use of elbow. Since naranasan ko doon nung mga past na nung May, so naniniwala ko doon ang galing to dahil yun nga 3 times a day ang training. Tapos, sobrang rigid, sobrang hirap. Like, parang yun nga, parang military na kami.
So, during those times na, for example, sinisimpong ka, sumasakit, pero hindi ka pa nagpapa-hospital ng diba?
Ay, hindi ba?
So, when did you seek help, professional help from a doctor?
A year after, pinahaba ko muna yung nararanasan ko for a year. Then, nagkaroon ako ng decision na after that, na hindi ko na talaga kaya, hindi ko na matake yung pain. Una ako pumunta sa hospital, malaman bakit ganun. Because it's been a long time na bakit sobrang haba naman ng sprain. Sprain usually comes lang for 3 days or 1 week. Pero that, how many months eh?
So, masasabi natin na chronic na yung condition mo.
Yes, chronic. Because, yun nga, sabi nga ng doctor na pain or condition na nag-exceed for 6 months is already considered chronic. So, chronic na yung sa akin. Because up until now, nararanasan ko pa rin if I use my muscle in a wrong way.
So, meron bang pinrescribe sa medication?
For prescription of medication, ang pinrescribe lang sa akin ng doctor is take mefenamic acid since it elevate the pain. And yun lang yung usual para lang sa pain. Wala namang ako lagnat. Hindi ako pinatake ng paracetamol. So, mefenamic acid lang. Pero not all the time. Pinapatake na lang ako if ang pain pinaparate niya sa akin. Then talaga. Sakit.
So you say you're very active, di ba? Hanggang ngayon.
Very active, yes.
Good thing it didn't stop you from playing.
Of course, yes. Gratis life.
That's the spirit. Meron ba itong mga emotional, syempre meron itong emotional effects sa'yo? Like, ano ba yung nangyari sa emotional? Like, did it stop? Did it make you want to stop?
During my,
Did it motivate you?
during my recovery stage, nahinto talaga ako sa lahat. Nahinto ako sa workout, sa usual training. hindi ako nakapagbubuhat ng kahit nga yung hindi masyado mabigat na objects, bawal ko buhatin dahil pag nagkaroon ng pressure yung elbows ko, doon na, kahit basta magkaroon lang ng pressure na mali sa elbows ko, aatake na agad yung tennis elbow nga. So, yung emotion ko na parang sobrang sad dahil yun, yung usual kong routine, hindi ko na magawa para sa sarili ko dahil na-apekto yung elbows ko. Eh, parang one part na very important sa akin, eh since nga madami akong ginagawa sa bahay, kami lang dalawa ng kapatid ko, ayun, nalungkot talaga ako na since na dumating sa point na parang nagsisi ako nung pumasok ako sa national team.
Shouldn't, kasi syempre, kung dream mo yan, kailangan mo i-pursue. Just need emotional support from your family and friends. So it's a good thing that Carl is talking to us about this. So we can tell him na, alam mo yun, kaya namang agapan with treatments, although his condition is chronic, di ba? So Carl, it's okay.
Yeah. No pain, no gain.
Just do it.
Well, besides medication, do you do any exercises or?
Nung nirefer sa akin ng doctor para complete na mawala is kailangan surgery. Eh since it's very expensive and alam natin na ang pag nagkaroon ng ganitong sakit, hindi na bumalik kasi active pa rin ako eh. So as long as active and very yun nga, nasa rigid training always, imposible hindi bumalik. So I would waste the money for this surgery tapos after a while babalik din. So yun din, yung sinabi ng doctor sa akin. So hindi niya na in-advise sa akin magpa-surgery. Ang in-advise niya sa akin para tuloy-tuloy lahat is steroid. Pero madaming negative effect for long-term use ng steroid.
Just moderate tension.
So yun, kaya wala, tiis-tiis.
True.
Pero hindi na ngayon umaano ng 10/10 kasi yun, parang subside na. Yung inflamed lang naman eh, inflamed. So parang
That's good to know. Peace. Hindi na siya masyadong severe. Meron ka ba mga kakilala other people na meron same condition as yours?
yung mga, nagtataka nga ako bakit yung mga kasabayan ko nun, hindi naranasan katulad na sa akin. So I was thinking na it was only I na nag-exit para sa sarili ko. So I pushed myself very hard.
Very impressive. So, ano bang masasabi mo about sa condition mo? Like, meron ka bang advice sa mga katulad mong aspiring athletes na meron din mga, hindi lang tennis elbow, other conditions that affects your performance?
As an athlete, it is a must na your belief will be mind over matter. Lahat, mind over matter. Healing process, yung power mo, strength, speed, lahat yun, if it comes to your mind, alam naman natin, the mind is a dictator of our body. So, pag pre-process yun ng mind, yun din po-process ng katawan. So, yun nga, pag pre-process mo sa mind mo na gagaling ka, magiging okay ka ulit, yun yung magiging effect para sa body. Positive outlook, positive outcome.
Words to live by. Okay, since we admire fighting spirit very much, we have a little gift for you from our show. So we made Mr. Carl a pamphlet which contains information about tennis elbow, medications, exercises, physiotherapies, ano pwedeng gawin to when the pain strikes. We know he's very knowledgeable already, pero just in case he forgets or if he encounters someone with the same condition, he can give this to him. So on behalf of our talk show, this is for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Continue fighting and aspiring others. Yes. So that's it for our episode for today. Thank you so much for watching.
Yes, thank you. So.